Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we will make an easy project, very easy project. I'm going to use medium weight yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook. I'm going to make a small beanie for a newborn using only half double crochet. So as usual, we will begin with the magic circle. Then we are going to make chain 2, then half double crochets, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop or bring the yarn up. Then we have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and go through all the 3 loops. That is 1 half double crochet. So we are going to make a 12 half double crochet in this ring. So we already have chain 2, that is the first half double crochet, then another one, then again another half double crochet, bring up, pull the yarn through all 3, yarn over hook, insert, bring the yarn up, yarn over hook, pull through all the 3 loops. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can tighten the magic circle. And we are going to slip stitch to join. Now we are going to make again chain 2. This is a basic construction for most of the hats, and in the second round we are going to do the same stitch, two double crochet in each stitch. So chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch we are going to make 2 half double crochet. Since we begin with a 12 half double crochet in the magic circle, in the second row we will have 24 half double crochets because we are increasing by 12, or we are going to put in other sense, another way, we are making 2 stitches in each of the stitches. So it will be double the stitches of the initial one, like a 12 times 2, 24. Okay. Now we made 24 half double crochet, and we are going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Now the next one is also we are going to increase. So we are going to chain 2, then we are going to do 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch, then on the second stitch we make 1 half double crochet. So it's like a 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Like that we increase again 12 stitches evenly. So we will end with 36 half double crochet in the third round. We needed to make 4.25 inches in diameter for a newborn hat. If you search for crochet heart size charts, you will find the size chart. That way you can measure and make an approximate fit for the person you are going to make it. So this round we are going to make 36 half double crochets. We finished 36 half double crochets in this round, and we join with the slip stitch. Let us see what is the crown diameter now. So I'm going to measure. It's not 4.25 yet, so I'm going to make one more round of increase. 1, 2, 3 rounds are done. So the fourth round we are going to do chain 2, then one more half double crochet in the same stitch, then we are going to make one half double crochet in this next stitch, one half double crochet in the next stitch. So it is like a increase, then 1 and 1, increase, 1 and 1. You don't have to increase in the first stitch, you can go increase on the third stitch. To do that, chain 2, then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half double crochet in the third stitch. We finished the fourth round. Let's see what is the diameter now. So yeah, it's almost 4 and a quarter. Since I am using the acrylic yarn, it will get some stretch, so it will be enough. So we are not increasing anymore. If you needed to increase, then increase in the first stitch, then go on to make 3 more half double crochet in the next one, like that. So we are evenly placing one half double crochet. We are placing one half double crochet in each stitch. Okay. Just do one half double crochet in each stitch and join with the slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Then repeat the same like that is making one half double crochet in each stitch for a few more rows till you reach the height you needed for the heart or the beanie. Round 5 is complete, and we are going to slip stitch the top of the chain 2. Again we are going to do the same thing, like a chain 2, then making one half double crochet in each of the stitch. The baby heart for the heart for the newborn, according to the size chart, it will be like a 5.5. Yeah, just a little bit of stretch, so it's good. And if you wanted to make yeah, we can finish with this one. If you want to make a decoration, you can make a flower and stitch on the side. It will be good for a baby girl. You don't have to if you don't want to. Then just stitch all the yarn tails, weave all the yarn tails in. You can use a yarn needle to go all the way in and out, like a weaving in all several different directions. And this cap is done. If we were using only 10 stitches, this top would not have been like this flat. It would have been more curved. Okay, that's all. Now we can cut the yarn and we are done with that. This is a quick project you can make in an hour or so. So see you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.